Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on the $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's get started. Welcome back, all my gambling apes. Come check out this ape ASAP. I think this one's going to get snatched up. Of course, it is a floor price. I just want to come in and address that we're knocking it out the park with the gambling apes, and we're not that many days away from the casino being completely launched. December 17th is that date. Okay, so we're going to be keeping an eye on that, but we're going to be covering the apes real quick because, I mean, our floor price right now, let's just make sure. Okay, our floor price is at $5,200. About a week or two ago, you would have already doubled your money, and I highly advise that one of these apes are still very lucrative. Those who got my money back alerts, of course, got the NFT course half off. This NFT course is fire. You would have seen plays like this. I still have a lot of plays still coming, and that's why I want you to get the money back alerts before you get the course. Like that, you could be using the NFT course on NFTs that I know are going to be appreciating in value. What we're going to be talking about right now is these apes real quick, and I'm going to be dropping some gems again from the course that I want you guys to pay quick attention to. Be sure to stay tuned to the very end of the video. I want you guys to share this video. If you're gambling apes, if you're part of the ape community, please load this up with comments, share this on Twitter, in Discord, of course, because our Discord is booming, and get this out. The word needs to get around about what we got going on December 17th. But what I want to show you guys right now is how fast this floor price is going to switch. We have 1.13 and we have 1.4s, right? Very quickly, this ape right here, this is a ape that's kind of a nice play because it's got 8 favorites, okay? Notice this. This is part of my little gems inside my course that I want to pay attention to because these are things that are not found on any other YouTube video about how to position yourself with these NFTs. These are things that I'm noticing. This ape right here has 8 likes, and look how fast it goes from 1.4 to 1.8. And right after 1.8, it goes to 1.9, which is $5,400. And I'm going to be having a video coming out soon. Leave comments down below if you guys are interested in a Ethereum price prediction for I'm thinking about the first quarter of 2022. And I'll give you guys a quick rundown. I believe that Ethereum could be worth $10,000, if not $15,000 by the end of March. That's just a quick price prediction that I got, and that's because so many things are run on the smart contract that I don't see. Ethereum has its own. Yes, the gas fees are very high, but there's other use cases for this for Ethereum where I believe it will close that spread that it had before on Bitcoin, and it's gonna have to close that gap. Even eventually at a $20,000 Ethereum is not far fetched next year, considering the fact that some of these apes are going for $5,400 right now, which I believe that this one you're going to get to see. Let me know down in the comments if you actually got this ape. Let me know if you guys saw me go over your ape. Let me know what ape is yours. If you would like to, obviously, your own discretion or whatnot. But I think that this ape right here, where is he at? Oh, okay, we're moving along already. The floor price is moving along. This ape right here having 8 favorites and how fast it's going to switch over. So we got 1.4s, and then right away it goes to 1.8. So we're talking about from $5,200. We're going to go right back just like this. Okay, 50. And then right to $5,400. So you can almost cover your gas fees right out the gate if you're strategic about using a gas fee ticker, some Ethereum tickers to help you with when to do purchases on these gambling apes or any other Ethereum based project, basically. Okay, but right now these apes, with the casino coming out December 17th, another thing that I'm notice that it's starting to become apes with less items. So now it's like kind of a base level ape, which is still a very good ape because you're going to be getting passive income. But notice how the quality of the apes, this one got Cartiers on. We got this one over here with the chains on. You got a Bitcoin chain. So you got some Cuban links. He's got a square in his mouth. So there's a lot of attributes. See how this one's kind of base level? These are going to be gone pretty soon all the way where we're going to start to see, some of these apes that are going for 2 ETH. I think, and I'm going to tell you guys right now, to be honest with you, I could see this possibly being easily 2 Ethereum by the end of December. So we're talking about $10,000. This is still a very lucrative play. I hope that you guys are paying attention to this. Do your own due diligence. Go and ask questions in the Discord. Is very active in there. Or come ask me. Get tapped in with the money bag alerts. You can get this course half off and see some of the other plays that I'm also tapped in. I got quite a bit of NFTs and some that you don't have to hold 100 of them. You can hold 5 NFTs, and we're talking about some life-changing NFTs. This gambling ape alone, the passive income in Ethereum, think about that. On an appreciating asset, that could be very, very lucrative long term. So this was just a price update. I've already seen us at 1.2 Ethereum, but when we were at 1.2 Ethereum, the price of ETH was a lot lower. But right now, the cheapest ape right now is going for over 5 grand, and I could see an ape going for 2 Ethereum by the end of December. And I also see first quarter first quarter 2022, Ethereum doing something in the $10,000 range. All these projects that continue to grow on the Ethereum network with smart contracts, we cannot keep a blind eye on and understand what Ethereum is actually doing for us. So it's still here to stay. And we're going to be keeping an eye on its Ethereum dominance and how it controls different markets. But all these different blockchains have different attributes that make them their own player and stuff, okay? So we're going to keep an eye on the Gambling Apes. This was just a price update. I've seen it at 1.2 before, but the price of Ethereum was lower, like I said. But right now we're at 137, and that is over $5,000. You would have got the course. You would have already paid for your course. You would have already still been in the green, in the profit. And on top of that, with the course and being able to apply this to a lot of other NFTs that we got going on. So stay tuned. Continue to come back. Experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time. Later.